back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, I am Pranita and I'm back with another DIY video. So in today's video, we're gonna learn how to make coasters from CDs. But before we start with today's video, I have some updates for you guys. So instead of posting 2 videos every week, I was thinking if I could post 3 videos a week. I think that would be great. I was thinking of Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays, wherein Tuesdays and Thursdays will be art related videos and Saturdays I'll post something fun, because I know a few of you watching this don't follow art, so y'all can watch my Saturday videos. I'll try and keep it as fun as possible. I think like I said in the beginning of my YouTube channel, that this channel is not an art channel solely, so I want to have variety on my channel and I'm trying to do that with my Saturday videos. So yeah, also this schedule is for me so that I stick to posting on specific days. Otherwise, after the weekend I'm just so lazy that I don't edit. But I want to change that, and so I want to stick to Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays. But it may so happen that I might paint something that I might not like, or it may not work out for me, and in that case there'll be 2 videos. But otherwise you can expect 3 videos from me every week, starting today. So yeah, that's the update. But I also have a question for you guys. Do you want me to do like chatty videos on this channel? I mean, sometimes when I'm painting, there's not much to explain because not all my painting videos are tutorials, and I think the music gets kind of boring. I don't know. And if you're watching the video with no intention of making the painting that I am making, then I think the video does get boring. So do you want me to like talk about something while I'm painting, or yeah, like basically keep it a little chatty? I don't know, should I or should I not do that? Let me know in the comments, or you can also reach out to me personally and tell me. I would love to know your opinion on this. And also let me know what you want to see more on my channel. When I started out, people wanted me to try vlogging, and I think I will do that super soon. But apart from vlogging, if there's anything else that you want me to try, please put it down in the comments or let me know on my Instagram or anywhere, personally, if you know me. Yeah, that's about it. Intro has become too long anyway, so let's just get started with the coasters.
Here's what we're going to need to make our coasters. We'll need some CDs, some paints, some brushes, a cutter, and a sellotape. Now we'll quickly start by making cuts on the CD, and then we're going to add a tape on it. Make sure the tape is well put and then start pulling off the tape. You'll notice that the cover of the CD pulls off. Now the catch here is that this technique might not work for all CDs. I'll actually show you an example. So you see the cover didn't come off, which is perfectly fine because we're going to paint a coat on it anyway. I'm quickly painting all the CDs with white. You can use another color if you're choosing to make a different design. I'm using light colors, so I prefer a white top coat. Now you can go on with 2 or 3 layers, but I'm really okay with the design showing because I'm going to paint on top of it. But if you want to, if you're bothered by the design showing, then you can obviously go ahead and make 2 or 3 coats. I'm starting with a very easy design. I'm making a lemon, and I personally love cute, simplistic designs. And I'm going to go ahead and make the same in green. Now as you see, yellow was lighter but if you notice closely, the green is going to need another coat. If you're a perfectionist, you're going to have a problem with the way I'm painting, but I just like it that way. Next up, this is my attempt at painting a sunflower. I'm not really good with it, but I'm trying. I'm painting my first layer of petals with chrome yellow, and I'm going to let one set to dry while I do the other one. Now I'm taking a slightly darker shade of yellow. I mixed chrome yellow and a tint of orange. I'm going ahead with the second layer of petals. Now if you ask me personally, I would love to leave it at this stage, but I go ahead and then add more detailing, and yeah, I mean, it still looks pretty cute, but I would rather prefer leaving it at this stage. By all means, go ahead and explore and use your own ideas. But if you want to make this, that's perfectly fine as well. And we're done with this one as well. Just a little touch up here and there, and we're done. Now for the last set, I went ahead and painted the base orange, and I thought of painting a silhouette on it, and I thought butterflies would look cute, so I'm painting butterflies. You can go ahead and paint a cat on it, a dog, you can do balloons, anything. Go wild with your imagination, and obviously don't be like me. Please wait for the base coat to dry and then paint on top of it. As you see, the black is looking grey. That is because the orange is still semi-wet. Please wait for the paint to dry, and yeah, that's my only advice.
Beats by Dallas, make it hurt.
And yeah, that's it. That is all you need to do. It's super easy to make and very cute at the same time. And we're done. How cute are these? I personally really like them, and I think it's a cute, cool hack to use.
So that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you happen to try these coasters, please share it with me. And I think this is a super cool hack to turn your CDs into something useful, and your moms are gonna love it. Give it a try. At least my mom does love it. And yeah, I'll see you next time. But before that, please take a moment to like this video, comment, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. The button looks something like this. I'm going to put it here, and I'm going to wait for a while for you guys to minimize the screen, scroll a little, and click on that button. Please do it. I think that's the only validation that I get after the hours of editing and hours of work that goes into making these videos. Yeah. That's it. Yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.